check whether the following are quadratic equations. So first one is x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Here we can't directly say that because on left hand side we have whole square bracket. So first we need to solve whole square using formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus 1 whole square will become x square plus 2x plus 1 square equal to, I am multiplying 2 with x and 2 with 3. So 2x minus 6. Now both sides 2x is common, so I can cut them. So x square plus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. So I can say x square plus 7 equal to 0. Now it contains the highest degree x square, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Second one says x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Here also first we need to solve it. So x square minus 2x equal to minus 6 plus 2x, because minus into minus will be plus. So bringing all the things on one side, so x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. So this became x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore it is quadratic equation. Moving to the third one, third one says x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Here also I am opening the brackets by multiplying x into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1. Same way on the right side, so x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. So this became x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So this became x square minus x minus 2 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now x square on both sides I can cut. So this came as minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation as there is no term having square. Then fourth one says x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5. So here again the same process I am doing. First I am multiplying with x the whole bracket, then with minus 3 the whole bracket equal to x square plus 5x. So 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 equal to x square plus 5x. Now solving here, 2x square minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square is x square minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore it is quadratic equation. As it contains equal to sign, it contains square term, so it is a quadratic equation. Now fifth one says 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Here again the same thing, first multiplying with 2x, then with minus 1, with x, and plus 5 into x minus 1. So 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 equal to x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. So 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. So this became x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. So therefore it is a quadratic equation, as it contains x square and equal to sign both. Then sixth one is x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. So again I am using the same technique. On the left hand side I am keeping as it is. On the right hand side I am using a minus b whole square. So this will be a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. I have used the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now opening that, rearranging, I got x square minus 4x plus 4. Now both sides x square get cancelled. So if I bring all the terms on one side, so 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. So 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So I can clearly say it is not a quadratic equation, as it doesn't contain x square term. Seventh one says x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now here cube is there, so I have to use the formula using a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So if I directly use that, so x cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus b cube, so 2 cube equal to, if I multiply 2x with x square, so 2x cube minus 2x. So now it became x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now if I bring all the things on one side, so I will get x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x equal to 0. So minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. As it contains x cube, it is not a quadratic equation. Here question 1 ends. Now let us discuss question 2. Question 2 says, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. The first one is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So, here I am given area equal to 528 meters square. Now, length is not given and breadth is not given, but relation between length and breadth is given. So, I am supposing let breadth be b meter. So, therefore, length will be. Now, it is said 2 times breadth. So, 2b and 1 more. So, plus 1. So, meter. Now, according to the situation, area equal to L into B. So, 528 equal to 2B plus 1 into B. So, can I say 528 equal to 2B square plus B? Now, bringing all the things on one side. So, 2B square plus B minus 528 equal to C. So, this is the first answer of question 2. Second, he is saying the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find them. Find the integers. So, here, if I read the question, see, it says the product of two consecutive. Consecutive means the difference between them should be 1. So, here let the first, or I can say smaller positive integer be x. So, second positive integer will be x plus 1 because difference should be 1. So, now it is said that x into x plus 1 equal to 306. So, x square plus x equal to 306. So, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So, this will be the quadratic equation for that. Now, the third one, it says Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages three years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So, here he is saying that, see, both Rohan and mother's age are not given. So, mother is bigger than Rohan. So, I am supposing Rohan's age as x. Let Rohan's age be x here. And see, relation between Rohan and mother is 26 years older than Rohan. So, x plus 26. Now, first I got both the values. Now he is saying in the second line the product of their ages after 3 years. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be whatever today age, that is present age is x, so plus 3 years. And mother's age will be the same, k plus 3 I have to do, so x plus 26 plus 3, because whatever present age in that I am adding 3, so x plus 29 year. Now he is saying k product of that two is 360. So can I say x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360? So x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 equal to 360. So x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation which he has asked. Now if we solve this equation, we will get individual ages. But here he has only told us to represent the ages. So we have to do that much only. Now fourth one is, he is saying a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Now he is asking me to find the speed of the train equation. So first I am supposing let the speed of train be x km per hour. Now it has to cover 480 km. So time taken to cover 480 km will be equal to 480 upon x hours, because distance upon speed gives me time. Now in second condition, it says the speed of train will be now it is reducing by 8 km. So I can say x minus 8 km per hour. Now time taken will be, again the distance is same, upon x minus 8 hours. Now he is saying the difference between the two timings is 3 hours. So can I make the equation like this? 480 upon x minus 480 upon x minus 8 equal to 3. Now if I do LCM here and I am taking 480 common, so x minus 8 minus x upon x into x minus 8 equal to 3. So x cancel. So 480 into minus 8 Now the denominator I am taking on that side, so 3x into x minus 8. So I can say minus 3840 equal to 3x square minus 24x. So if I take 3840 on that side, so 3x square minus 24x plus 3840 equal to 0. Dividing both the sides by 3, so x square minus 8x plus 1280 equal to 0. Here we finish the first exercise. Now, before the second exercise, let us revise one more time. Okay, what we are supposed to do? We have to find the solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So, let us take one example. So you remember back splitting the middle term. Now, suppose I am given the sum like this. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by factorization. So, if I want to split the middle term, what I have to do? A equal to 2, B equal to minus 5 and C equal to 3. I have to multiply AC. So, product will be AC, which is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Now I have to find factors of 6 that the sum comes as 5. So 6, if I find factor, 1 6 are 2 3s are. So 2 and 3, if I add them, I get 5. But here I want minus 5, so I can take both minus. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So from the first two terms I am taking 2x common, so x minus 1. From second two terms I am taking minus 3 common, so x minus 1 equal to 0. Now x minus 1 I am taking common, so 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So now there are two possible answers. One is x minus 1 can be 0, the other can be 2x minus 3 can be 0, or both can be 0. So if it is 0 x minus 1, so x will be equal to 1. If 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so 2x equal to 3. Taking 3 on that side. Now taking 2 on that side, I will get x equal to 3 by 2, because on left hand side it is in multiplication. The first question says find the roots of the following equation by factorization. So first one is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So if I consider here, see, A and C are 1 and minus 10. So product will be 10. I have to make 10's factor such that sum is minus 3. So can I say 5 and 2? So I am doing that only. As here it is minus, so bigger term will be minus. So 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. So now from first two I am taking x common, so x minus 5. From the next two I am taking 2 common, so 2 minus 5 equal to 0. From both I am taking x minus 5 common, so x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x will be 5 or x equal to minus 2. So these two are solution of this. Now doing the second one, it says 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2 and 6 I have to multiply 12 such factor minus 12 such factor whose sum is 1. So as the middle term is plus, the bigger value will be plus. So here see 12 factor such that sum is 1. So 4 and 3. So I am taking them. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. Now if you see 4x minus 3x will be plus x. and 4x into minus 3x will be minus 12x. I will take 2x common, so x plus 2. From the second 2 I am taking minus 3, so x plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So I can say either x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So x will be minus 2 or 2x will be equal to 3. So x will be 3. So these two answers I will get here. Then third one, here it says root 2 into 5, root 2 will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So 10 factor I have to make such that sum is 7. So can I say 5 and 2? So I am taking root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now from the first two terms I am taking root 2x common. So I can say x plus root 2 plus 5 common, so x plus root 2 equal to 0. So either root 2x plus 5 is 0 or x plus root 2. So either root 2x plus 5 will be 0 or x plus root 2 will be 0. So here root 2x will be equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 by root 2. And here it will be x will be minus root. So these two are the solution. Now coming to the fourth one. It says 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Now, see here one problem is there. If I multiply 2 and 1 by 8, I will get 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 such factor I want where I get minus x. So, instead of doing that, I am multiplying both sides by 8. I am multiplying all the terms with 8. So here I will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now if you see 16 into 1 is 16. So 16 factor I have to take such that I get minus 8. So 4x, 4x and minus is there. So minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So now 4x common, so 4x minus 1 common, so 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So if I take 4x minus 1 common, so in other bracket also I got the same. Now I can say 4x minus 1 equal to 0, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 by 4. Here also 4x equal to 1, so x will be 1 by 4. So both the solutions are equal here. Or say, now coming to the fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. See, 100 ones are 100 and factors of 100 such that sum is minus 20. So I can say 10. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So 10x common, so 10x minus 1 common, so 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So if I take 10x minus 1 common, in other bracket also 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So either 10x minus 1 equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 by 10. Here also 10x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 by 10. See, here we completed question 1. Now, question 2 says, solve the problems given in example 1. Okay, so now we have to go to the example 1 and find the equation. So I am writing directly the equation: x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. This was the first. So 324 such factor whose sum is minus 45. So 36 and 9 are coming. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equal to 0. So from the first two terms I am taking x common, so x minus 36. From next two I am taking 9 common, so x minus 36 equal to 0. So first bracket is x minus 36, another is x minus 9 equal to 0. So either x minus 36 equal to 0, or I can say x minus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to 36 or x equal to 9. Now in that only the B option is also there. So let us solve that also. It says x square minus 55x plus 750 equal to 0. Now 750 is such factor whose sum is minus 55. So that will be 30 and 25. So x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 equal to 0. So from the first two I am taking x. From the second two I am taking 30. So x minus 25, x minus 30 equal to 0. So either x minus 25 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. So x will be 25 or x will be 30. These two are the solution. So question 2 we finished. Now question 3 says, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So can I say, let one number be x, other number will be 27 minus x, as sum of them is that. Now product of this two is 182, so x into 27 minus x equal to 182. So if I multiply, so 27x minus x square equal to 182, taking all the things on one side. So x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Now making this equation, now if solving, so 182 such factors whose sum is minus 27. So minus 13 and minus 14 are coming. So x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equal to 0. So taking x common, so x minus 13, taking minus 14 common, so x minus 13 equal to 0. So either x minus 13 or x minus 14 equal to 0. So if x minus 13 equal to 0, or it can be x minus 14 equal. So either x equal to 13 or x equal to 14. Out of two, any one solution will be there, or both can be there. Now coming to the fourth question, it says, find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose squares is 365. Now he is saying कि see two consecutive positive number. So let first number be x and second number be x plus 1. As they are consecutive, so it will be x and x plus 1. So now he is saying the sum of whose square? So square of first number plus square of second number equal to 365. So solving them, what I will get? X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 365. So can I say 2x square plus 2x? If I bring 365 on the left hand side, minus 365 plus 1. So minus 364 equal to 0. Now everywhere 2 is common. So if I divide with 2, so x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. Now 182 just now we solved 13 and 14. So x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. So x common from first two, so x plus 14 minus 13 common, so x plus 14. So either x plus 14 into x minus 13 equal to 0. So either x plus 14 will be 0 or x minus 13 will be 0. So if x plus 14 is 0, so x will be minus 14 or x will be 30. As he has told that it is a consecutive positive number, so x will be 13 only. It can't be minus 14 because minus 14 is not a positive number. Therefore numbers are 13 and 14. How I got 14? K x plus 1 is 13 plus 1, that is 14. Now coming to the fifth one, he says the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Now see here what is given. Suppose I am taking this as a right triangle. This is hypotenuse, so 13 centimeter. Let me say the name ABC also. Now he is saying the altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. So if I take base as x, so altitude AB will be x minus 7. So let the base be x centimeter. So therefore altitude will be x minus 7 centimeter. Now he is using the Pythagoras theorem. So can I say AC square equal to AB square plus BC square? So 13 square equal to AB. So x minus 7 whole square plus x square. So 169 equal to x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square. So if I solve this, so I will get directly 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. See, 160 and 49 I have subtracted and brought. Now everything is divisible by 2. So can I say x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. So 60 is such factor whose sum is minus 7. So 12 5s are. So minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So x minus 12 plus 5, so x minus 12 equal to 0. So either x minus 12 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 12 can be 0 or x plus 5 can be 0. So here x will be 12 or x will be minus. Now side can't be negative, so this is not possible. Therefore base is 12 centimeter, altitude will be 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. Now 6 sum, it says let number of articles produced on one day be x. So cost of production of each article is given as 2 times x plus 3. So now product of this two is given to me as 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0 will be the equation. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. So x 2x plus 15 and minus 6, so 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So either 2x plus 15 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So either 2x plus 15 will be 0 or x minus 6 is 0. So if this is 0, so 2x will be minus 15, so x equal to minus 15 by 2. That means article produced will be minus 15 by 2, which is not possible. So article produced will be 6. So now I got number of articles produced is 6. So cost will be 2 into 6 plus 3. So 12 plus 3, that is 15 rupees. So each article will cost 15. Now exercise 4.3 says find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, then find them. So question first one is, see, I am given the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So how I will check? Okay, first I will check b square minus 4ac, how much it is coming. So b is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So this becomes as 9 minus 40, which is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. So therefore I can say as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so no real roots. So I don't need to find the roots here. Now b1 is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now again going here, b square minus 4ac, so minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So this became, see, minus 4 square will be 16 into 3 minus here also 16 into 3, so equal to 0. So equal roots, and that are minus b by 2a, which will be minus of minus 4 root 3 upon 2a, so 2 into 3, so minus minus plus, and can I say this will be 2 by root 3, because 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 and root 3 will get cancel and root 3 I will get, so minus minus plus, so 2 by root 3. Then third one is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So doing b square minus 4ac minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 36 minus 8 3s are 24. So that is 12, which is greater than 0. So therefore, two distinct root. That will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here I will get 6 plus or minus root 12 upon 4. So I can write it like this: 6 plus root 12 upon 4 and 6 minus root 12 upon 4. So if I cut, see, 12 if I take out full part, so it will be 4 will come out. So if from 12 I take 4 out, so this will be 6 plus 2 root 12 or 2 root 3 upon 4 and 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So if I take 2 common in the numerator, so 2 common, so 3 plus root 3 by 4. So I am cutting 2 ones are 2 twos are, and again I am taking 2 common, so 3 minus root 3 upon 4. So this way I have got 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. Now coming to the question 2. He says, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal solutions. Now I am told to find two equal solutions. So 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. For equal solution, the condition was b square minus 4ac should be 0. So checking it, so b k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 should be 0. So I can say k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24. So k equal to plus or minus root 24, because both square will be 24. So if I take 4 out, so it will be 2 root 6. So plus or minus 2 root 6. Both the solutions are I got. So k can be 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6. Now second one, it says kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So first multiplying it, so kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now for equal roots, b square minus 4ac should be 0. So using that, so minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So can I say 4k if I take, so k minus 6 equal to 0. So here I will get two solutions again. Either 4k can be 0 or k minus 6 can be 0. So here k will be 0 and here k will be 6. So two solutions I got again. Coming to the third question, he is asking us, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? So, and the area is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. So let breadth be b meter and length will be 2b meter. So area equal to L into B. So area is given 800 equal to L is 2B into B. So 800 by 2 equal to B square. So 400 equal to B square. So B can be plus or minus 20. So here I can't say length and breadth will be negative. So B equal to 20 meter. So therefore length will be 2 into 20, that is 40 meter. Now fourth one, it says, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, so let us make the equation first. Let the first friend age be x years. So other friend age will be 20 minus x years, as sum of their ages is 20. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, so 4 years ago, first friend's age was whatever today, that is x minus 4 years, and second friend's age will be 20 minus x minus 4, so that is 16 minus x. Now he is saying product of this two is 48. So can I say x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48? So if I open the bracket, so 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. So it will be 20 x minus x square minus 64 equal to 48. Bringing everything on one side, so x square minus 20x plus 112 will be equal to, see I have changed the sign also directly in one go. So now he is saying, okay, is it possible? So for that I have to check b square minus 4ac. So that will be minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 16 into 112. So that is 400 minus 448. So which is minus 48. So which is less than 0. Therefore no real roots. So I can say condition does not exist. Because it can't be negative, so it is not possible. Now fifth one, it says, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter? Okay, perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meters square. If so, find length and breadth. So see, L and B I have to find. So perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 80 divided by 2 equal to L plus B. So L plus B will be equal to 40. So B I can say 40 minus L. Now area is L into B. Length is length and breadth is 40 minus L. So area is 400 given to me. So 400 equal to 40L minus L square. So can I say L square minus 40L plus 400 equal to 0. So B square minus 4AC, as he has asked, is it possible, equal to minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So this will be 1600 minus 1600. So 0. So therefore it is possible. Now he has asked me to find the length and the breadth also. So here how I can find, see, L square minus 40L plus 400 equal to 0. Now I have to multiply A and C. So A is 1 and C is 400. So 400 such factors I have to do whose sum is minus 40. One way is that. The other is, as I have got 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So I can say roots will be directly minus b by 2a. So that will be minus of minus 40 upon 2 into 1. So that will be 20, because minus minus plus 40 divided by 2 will be 20. So both length and breadth are 20.